If you're planning to apply for a US visa from Nigeria in 2026, then you have to listen carefully because there is a major update you can't afford to ignore. Hi there, my name is Becca from TBIO Travels, your trusted partner for visa and travel success. In today's video, you will learn the latest 2026 US visa updates, step-by-step application process, required documents, interview tips, and how to avoid rejection. Now let's get right into the business of today. Here is the most important update. Starting January 21, 2026, some Nigerian applicants applying for a B1, B2 visitors visa may be required to pay a refundable bond of $5,000, $10,000, or up to $15,000. This decision is made by the consular officer during your interview. Here are the main visa types Nigerians apply for. We have the B1, B2 visitors visa for business, tourism, or medical trips. We also have F1 student visa for studying in the United States, and we have work visa like H1B for applicants with a US job offer. Now, the most important tip is the study and work visa are currently more straightforward since the bond requirement does not apply to them. Your visa interview can make or break your application. Common questions include: why do you want to travel to the US? Who is sponsoring your trip? How long will you stay? What ties do you have to Nigeria? How to answer: be honest. Keep your answers short and clear. Also, be consistent with your GS 160. Most suggestions happen because of weak ties to Nigeria, poor financial evidence, weak travel history, poor interview performance. Many refusers fall under Section 214 subsection B. Getting a US visa in 2026 requires more preparation than ever, but it is absolutely achievable. If you need an expert with your US visa application, TBIO Travel is there to help you and guide you every step of the way. You can contact us on tbils.com for flights and also travel.tbils.com for visa assistance. And if you should find this video helpful, like, comment, share, and turn on the subscribe button so you get notification anytime we drop updates. My name is Becca from TBIO Travels. See you in the next video. Bye!